Hi, Chris. This is Michael at Applied CX. I wanted to show how to compare bodies. There, there's probably other ways to look at this, but here I was just looking at mass property. So you can turn on the mass property or show mass properties tab. This is all on the analysis ribbon bar. This compare body, it really is for shape. I mean, we could certainly try it for distance. I didn't try distance map. Yeah, that's just really for shape. And so what I think turns to be the best is just the measure. And then when it's on the object, if you set your selection to solid body, and then down on the bottom of this dialog, you have settings. If you don't see them, make sure this is on more by clicking the gear. And then associative and display annotation. I mean, I suppose fix at current timestamp is an option, but I have that on. So if I pick this one, it'll give this information here. I could say apply, and that stays there. And I could do it again for this one. You can move it around and then hit OK, and they're there. And you can hide them. You can put them on layers. They're items in the tree. So those, give you the volume pretty quickly. Any tools that you want to explore, I would recommend that you use this command finder. And so if I just type compare, it comes up with different options. If you hit enter without picking on one of those, it presents it like this. If you go to commands, it'll show you as you highlight them where they're at. And let's say you wanted it more, sometimes it's down in a menu. Let's find an example of that. I don't know, let's say delete body or something. I think delete body is more hidden. Yeah, so it's down in a sub menu. If you want something like that to be on your toolbar, you can even click the end and say, add to ribbon tab, home, or current tab. And so then it adds that command to the end. Not only are you finding it, but you're adding it to your ribbon bar. I think you have to go into customize to remove it. If you go into I right clicked up here and said customize, then you can drag it off if you no longer want it. So that command can be helpful. It'll even find preferences, customer defaults. I don't think it'll help find help documentation. But you could always go into help from here, and certainly help is context sensitive. So if I was in a delete face command and I hit F1 or this help up here, if it opens, interesting. Well, on my own computer that works. I'm not sure why it's not working on the server. Yeah, I'll have to look into that. Let me know if yours works. But anyway, there's one way of doing that, so I'll post this video and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot.